Morning.
Guten Morgen. My name is Louis. Yeah. So today is waterfall day.
We're
getting attacked.
Wow.
Let's walk and talk. So we're getting attacked by flies. So yeah, it's waterfall day.
We've just put our stuff in the car. It's currently 8:30.
Now we know you shouldn't go chasing waterfalls, don't we, Tom?
Hey. Yeah, but I think it's, what's it called? Girl band.
Eternal.
No. Oh, the girl band, and he thinks it's other one, boy band.
What?
The song. Who do you think it is?
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Stick to the rivers and streams.
TLC.
TLC, that's him.
TLC?
Eternal TLC. Eternally TLC. Like a fusion, like Busted and McFly. McBusted. McTurnal. I don't know.
It got weird. Anyway, sorry, that was my fault.
Yeah.
I thought two people sang. Anyway, it's irrelevant. So, packed, and we're going to go and have breakfast in a minute before we head up to the waterfall. So
Stone Roses waterfall.
Stop!
Sorry.
So, oh no, here comes the laundry.
Little pause there because that little laundry truck went past. Anyway, yeah, it's waterfall day. So we're going to Seven Wells Waterfall, which is up by the cable car place again.
Yep.
And apparently it's like, in rainy season, it's like Goonies waterfalls and stuff. We don't know what it's like. Jack Sparrow. But we don't know what we don't know.
It's supposed to be pools and a couple of natural water slides, but different levels. 7 apparently.
Yeah.
And then the other one that we're going to...
Nivel 7, that means level 7 in Spanish.
Thanks. And then the other one that we're going to do is the tallest waterfall in Langkawi, which is... I'll put it down here. It's Telaga Waterfall, something like that anyway, so hopefully, but again, in dry season it can be a little bit of a trickle, but we're going to go look at it anyway.
And if there's time, we'll explore some coves, some little beach areas, but...
Well, we've got the car.
Got quite
So
a few
it's a bit of a water
meetings
day
tonight, so I need to get home. So we'll just see what we can squeeze in today. But yeah, we've got the car today, we've got the car tomorrow. Thursday's Tal's birthday, that's when we give the car back, and then we should be going, hopefully going jet skiing to see some islands and stuff.
Oh well, you've just taken us all the way back home,
and then
haven't you?
Friday,
Stop.
a rest day, Saturday's a travel day.
So yes, we're going to go and have
2 weeks
breakfast
left
now.
and then we're going to go
Bye.
home. I don't know, see what I have to put up with. See, this is what I put up with. After 20 odd years of marriage, this is what we've come to. Just all by myself, pondering life, walking down this dirt road. And then I look at this face.
What are you doing?
It's
Hello.
fantastic.
We're
It's nice. It's so nice. Where were you when it was time for senior photos?
Why don't you do the phone in front of your face here? Anyway.
She's going to carry on, so we'll do it later.
Yeah.
As soon as I start talking to her.
So we have arrived at the, let's see if I can pronounce this, the Telaga Langkawi 7, which is the Seven Wells Waterfall, also known as the Telaga Tujuh, something like that anyway. So yeah, it's nice and quiet this morning, it would seem. £2 to park, if there's a parking guy that appears again. So yeah, let's go find some waterfalls and see if there's some actual water in them. Let's do the whole thing. Selamat datang, Telaga Tujuh.
I need to...
Filming you, filming me.
Filming me, filming you. Aha.
Susan Wells had me.
More step trauma. It's too early in the day for this. It's too early in the day.
Heading up to Seven Wells. Susan Wells. Susan Wells had me.
Susan Wells? How do you know Susan Wells?
A kissogram, I want one.
That's fun to say. Anyway, we'll stop.
Francisco.
No. Now,
Don't know what it is with leaf blowers, but they follow us around, they plague my existence.
Like a bad smell.
They're at work, they're on holiday, just leaf blowers.
Any time of day.
Stop blowing leaves, leaves are fine, they'll blow themselves.
Morning, noon and night, Marge. But here is the 7 levels. So we're going to walk all the way to the top there. The step trauma saga continues.
Still going. Yeah. Caution, forest. Be careful of surrounding what? Forest. Run, Forest.
Kind of sweaty.
Forest Whitaker.
These trees are everywhere. It looks absolutely stunning. There's so tall. Look at it. Ah, lots more steps. I am sweating my boobies off. It is no joke climbing flights of stairs in this heat. God, hiking, running, walking in. What is going on with my hair? In the cable cars, have you seen them? Right there through thing. Anyway, it's a totally different ball game. We've arrived at the top. You can see the cable cars in distance. It looks epic. So, just walking across here. Whoop. And these are some of the natural slides that you can use your little butt down if you want to. Go chill across the bridge over there, which is kind of cool. Sit and watch death. Oh, let's have a feel of this. Oh, that is cold. That is cold. In a very nice way. Ooh, butterfly. Nice.
First one in.
That's hilarious watching you though.
You can't get out. I'm videoing this shit. Are you videoing it?
Yes!
He's drowning.
It's alright, I'll hang on.
Yeah, go straight
I can stand
down.
here all day. Oh my god, that's the funniest thing I've seen. That is so funny.
Oh. You're not in Goonies, you know. Middle one.
You've got like a bloody bullet up there. Doesn't sink that. Just what you do.
What's Tal done? You poorly one. Is it bleeding?
Nah, it's alright. Ready?
Yeah. You look like a seal trying to get back in the sea. Oh, there's a rope to get out. Go on, Tal.
So this is running. So at the end of it now where you carry on, you just drop off and go down.
Almost not even funny. Mr. Leaf Blower. Honest to God, ruining the tranquility. Anyway, finished at 7 wells. All ended really well before it even gets busy. Absolutely stunning up there. Not that this isn't, but now we're on our way to our bottom stop. So we've walked down all the steps. Got reintroduced to step trauma on the way down. And now we're on our way down here, which looks quite cool, to find the other waterfall. Not sure what it's like, but we're going to have a look.
Yo dudes, so this is pretty cool, look at this. Pretty stunning, peaceful, chilled, I like it. Yeah, it reminds me a little bit of Thailand, really nice. Much bigger than I thought it was going to be, taller. Strutting about there. Don't know what that was, yeah, check it out. again.
Yeah, but that was epic. That was so good. Just as good as the top, just totally different. Stunning. Dragonflies, fish in water, a jumping plunge pool.
It's not a poem, Tom.
I know, but... And then they had these little seats in rockeries, but it were actually really warm water, and then you had warm waterfall water on your head. Honestly, it's like something out of a film.
So what we're doing now,
Yes.
I've Googled, been on my Google, been Googling, found a little beach, and hopefully there's a little food place next to this beach. I'm going to grab some din, hopefully a drink, because we didn't bring any water, we left it in car.
You know, like you do.
Like we do. And then, if there's time and if we're not done, we can drive 20 minutes up north.
No.
And then
We're going to the
tallest waterfall or
which is the Temarin Waterfall. It's the tallest waterfall in Langkawi. So, we'll see where the afternoon takes us.
Wherever it may take me.
I'll spare you.
So we've stopped off at somebody else's hotel.
Only thing else.
It's called the Beach Brasserie,
Yeah.
which
Looks
absolutely
like a posh,
stunning.
all-inclusive hotel. Check it out.
It's not meant for us.
But he asked me what room, and I was going to say 113 Smith, but I didn't. I just said we were a guest. You're allowed though. Anyway, we thought we'd stop here. I've ordered a seafood pizza and a beer. A bit more expensive, but you look where we are. And then after this, we'll use all facilities here, swim in their pool, have a poo in their loo, nick some sweets on the way out, and then we're going to head back up to this other waterfall.
Yeah. Have a look over here. Lunch spot. The food has arrived. Look at that. It's got scallops on it. That looks good. Nachos for A. Burger for Tal.
I don't know why they came with
This
this.
bad boy.
That's got your egg all over that. Look, it's actually toasted egg.
I know. It's a bit weird, that, isn't it? Looks lovely though.
Ice
Sir?
dry waterfall.
Ice dries. Monkey sat right there, guys. He's off. Running. He's off. There's one coming here, look. Lou, coming at you. Watch your bags. Jesus.
In my bag.
That guy's got food. He's literally just opened food.
He's coming to you. Look at that. They smelt it.
God.
Oh my God, you haven't got any food, have you?
No one's got food, have they?
Cheeky little buggers. Look at him. You cheeky, you guys. Bad, that's what you are. So, take two, before monkeys came to steal this poor guy's food. Anyway, we have arrived at the Temarin Waterfall, although from first look it does look dry. It's the risky take when it's dry season. So we're just going to go and have a look at it anyway and see what we can see. Looks like someone's either set a fire or there is a fire just starting, which is interesting. Let's go and have a look. Definitely impressive. Obviously it's dry, which unfortunately when you come in dry season that is what you get, but it's still insanely impressive. That just looks wow, it really does look good. And it's, I feel like you're in a, hey, monkeys jumping in trees. chasing each other here. They're chasing, they're fighting. As you can hear. These guys that were scrapping. I can't remember what these ones are called. They're the black ones with white hair and white eyes. Aww. Little do? No. You do. I ain't got any food for you. So now we've finished looking at the dry waterfall, which was absolutely magnificent, to be fair, and lots of monkeys, which were a lot of fun. We're just gonna have a little look at this beach down here. So Rocky Beach, and we've got our snorkel stuff, so we're just gonna go and have a little look. Leaving all our stuff in the car because there are loads of monkeys about, and I just don't trust the cheeky little buggers. So we're actually down at the market. There's a lot of places closed at the minute because of Ramadan. So we're at the street market in Pentai Chenang, and this is what it looks like at the minute. So we're getting seafood fried rice. My dad's getting the calamari, and we're getting the chicken pad thai. Get it out.
I think that feels chickeny.
Seafood fried rice. It's well good. They're nice, those spring rolls. Well good out there. So 5 spring rolls for 10 ringgit and 4 samosas for 10 ringgit. What were your seafood fried rice?
Lovely.
It was 10 ringgit. No, 15, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What's that? £2.50 or something.
Evening.
Evening. It's a bit Deirdre Barlow, isn't it?
It's mozzie bite. Who gets bit on the jawline?
Why is this like a time for us to like assess the way we look? I think it's because we're looking at our greasy faces.
Watch out for that fam.
I know.
Anyway, yeah. Great day. Absolutely exhausted. We've burned it at both ends again, like we always do.
It's actually 5 to 11, believe it or not.
So we're going to finish the edit on this video. I'm going to finish some work off before we go to bed. We've just been fed, had our tea. That was a bag.
We actually had, so my dad experienced his first street market. We had pad thai and spring rolls just because we knew it were good and it were better to actually get some of that we could rely on.
Spring rolls, samosas and a bit of pad thai.
We had some calamari as well, picked by him. So.
Calamari.
What tune are you singing that in?
Teletubbies. Thanks, Tal. Yeah, calamari in the key of Teletubbies. But yeah, this is what we do on a night. We just get to this tired, sort of delirious stage. We just wanted to wrap this video up. But yeah, been a really good day. Awesome.
It's been awesome. Food's been good on all accounts. Experiences have been great on all accounts.
Waterfall was ace. No leeches.
Great. Weather's been great. So yeah, no complaints. We're in the process of potentially booking a trip for tomorrow, but we'll let you know what that is tomorrow. And yeah.
Sleep.
We'll see you morning.
Sleep time.
You need to stop that shit. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Woody.